Hello, best regard. My name is Beatriz Elena Tamaranaya. This is a short video about my educational institution. Okay, let's start. This is school of the Catholic Church. This school is very recognized in the Marange city. It is a private institution. In this school, we can find 20 classrooms where a lot of students come to receive class every day. So I really like this place because it's big and comfortable. It is a very pretty school. It is clean. It is nice to be here. So I feel very happy to be able to do my practice in this place. The people who work in this place are very kind, so I really feel good in this school. Okay? Oh, that's all. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye. This is my school, La Candelaria High School. Bye. Thank you.